Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 interior design tips and tricks to make your bedroom look more expensive. If you've been trying to create that luxurious feeling in your home, this video is just for you. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And I want to give a huge thank you to QVC Plus, HSN Plus for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. One small detail that goes a very long way when it comes to creating a luxurious feeling in your bedroom is wrinkle-free sheets. But who's gonna be steaming and ironing their sheets every time they change them? It's kind of a lot of work. So if you want to create that same look, you can just simply spray your sheets with a little bottle of water. It's something I do in my guest rooms before guests come over. I simply spray the sheets, spray all the bedding, pull them tight, and it relaxes all of your bedding so that it becomes wrinkle-free and looks so much more luxurious. It's a small detail that goes a very long way and something that you can do today for free. Since your bed is the biggest thing in the room, it's the first thing you see when you walk into your space, make sure it looks as beautiful as possible, and it's super simple to do it. So I pretty much do this every time I wash my sheets because they always come out wrinkly, and wrinkles just create this messy feeling. So if you're hosting friends and family and they're staying overnight, make sure you grab a little bottle like this, spray the sheets down, and make them look perfect. Now, a furniture piece that can make or break your bedroom design are your nightstands. If you want to create the most luxurious look in your bedroom, go with nightstands that have storage. This will create more of a substantial look on either side of your bed. It will balance out your space, and it really helps distribute the weight of furniture across your bedroom. Usually your bed is the largest thing in the room, so by flanking it on either side with larger pieces of furniture, it really helps balance it all out and makes your space look proportional. Now, sometimes finding nightstands that are large enough and have storage is difficult, so you can look into a chest of drawers, a dresser, something that's really going to fit the size of your bedroom and your bed. I would say go as wide as you can with nightstands, especially if you have a king or queen size bed. I think it starts to look a little odd when you have skinny little nightstands beside a large bed. So don't go for tiny little tables if you have the space for large substantial nightstands. You can thrift pieces, you can find antiques that are really going to be beautiful. Choose a unique chest of drawers for either side of your bed to really bring your space together and make it look as luxurious as possible. An organized, tidy bedroom always looks more expensive than a cluttered, messy space, but bedrooms get messy. We use them every day, so it's all about how you can create little systems around your bedroom to make it easier to keep tidy and organized. For me, I like baskets, trays, and hidden decorative boxes where I can just store away the clutter. That way everything is technically out within reach. Nothing's really that organized, but it's hidden behind decorative pieces that kind of pull it all together. So you can kind of style your clutter with trays, baskets, and boxes. If you have things that you reach at every day, like perfume bottles and products, you can style those on a decorative tray to make it all look really intentional instead of scattered and messy. So it instantly cleans up the look of your room. It adds a little bit of style and decor that's practical. Trays, baskets, and boxes are the key to making your entire space look tidy, clean, and organized while decorated at the same time. Now, if you can incorporate some additional seating in your bedroom, it's going to make it look and feel more like a hotel suite. Having a little lounge chair, a bench, a chaise, a couch, it's really going to tie your whole bedroom together and make it feel more luxurious. Not every bedroom is going to have the space for an additional living room in there and a whole seating area. If you have the space for it, definitely do it, but if you don't, go with a simple bench to finish off the end of your bed. It's going to make your bedroom look finished, polished, and layered. Sometimes just seeing the end of your bed makes for a very simple look. So if you want to have that curated designer feeling, finish off your bed with some seating. If you have room for it, add a little reading chair with its designated light. This will also allow you to just tie in more of your own design style. You can incorporate colors and materials and different finishes by creating a little seating area. So large or small, you can do this. A slim bench will do, a large sofa is spectacular, 2 swivel chairs at the end of your bed, or just a simple little reading corner. Okay, now let's talk laundry, because laundry can make your space look really messy, especially if your laundry basket looks like a laundry basket. I love to incorporate laundry baskets that look like a decor piece, so when they're out, they don't look like they're clutter, they don't look like a messy feature in the bedroom. They add to the design and kind of bring it all together. So I always suggest going with a decorative laundry basket, something that doesn't look like your traditional laundry basket. It's a great way to kind of hide the mess as well behind something pretty. So in my guest bedroom, I love to use this hanging basket. You could hang it in a closet, in the bathroom, and and it really just looks like a decorative piece. I love that this adds more floor space because it keeps the floor clear. You're not adding another thing to the room. It can hang up on a wall or anywhere you need, and it really adds a functional touch to the bedroom. So I always like to add these little touches to our bedrooms, especially guest bedrooms. When guests are coming over, you want them to love their space and enjoy it in every single way. I usually create a little welcome basket that has all the necessities, and it really makes you feel like you're staying at a hotel suite. I was actually just watching a guest bedroom episode of Feels Like Home with Preston Conrad on QVC Plus HSN Plus. So thank you so much to QVC Plus HSN Plus for sponsoring today's video. With QVC Plus HSN Plus, you can stream for free and access a ton of exclusive content and shop directly from it. You can watch and shop fashion, beauty, cooking, and home products. It is the most enjoyable way to shop and the best way to get ahead on all of your holiday shopping. QVC Plus HSN Plus offers such a seamless shopping experience, so you can shop directly from the show you're watching. It makes it so easy, and they offer deals that just cannot be beat. I love that you can see all the in-depth detail of the products, so you know exactly what you're purchasing. I recently got the cutest mug set. It came as a pack of 4, and they come with 4 mugs and little ornaments that match. So I added these to my guest bedroom so that the guests can use the mugs, but also take the ornaments home with them as a little takeaway. So I love that idea. I think this would make such a great gift. The ornaments kind of double as a lid and can also be separated as separate gifts. So this is such a cute idea and something I found on QVC Plus HSN Plus. I love the color scheme as well. They came in different color options, but I think this one matches my home perfectly. You can stream QVC Plus HSN Plus anywhere, anytime from your favorite streaming device or at qvcplus.com. All you have to do is put your email address in and you get access to all of the content. They have all of my favorite kind of content, all about home and fashion and beauty and cooking. So I find so many amazing products on there and get such great ideas for my home. So if you've been looking for some really good holiday gifts this year, definitely check out QVC Plus HSN Plus. You can shop from the comfort of your home and get ahead of all of your holiday shopping. Now, whether you have hardwood flooring or carpeting in your bedroom, I think you need a rug. A rug underneath your bed always helps pull your room together, and without it, your room starts to look a little bit empty and almost like all your furniture is floating. A rug can really help anchor the entire space and make it look designer instantly. So if you don't have a rug in your bedroom, that would definitely be a piece to add next to really bring your space together. I'd say go as large as you can with a bedroom rug, but always make sure it's at least halfway under the bed and spans the width from one nightstand to the next. That's what's going to expand the look of your room and make it look larger. Now, something I always notice in bedroom hotel design are the window treatments. They always have layered window treatments. So instead of just putting one set of curtains up, they have blinds, they have roller shades, they have blackouts, they have sheers. There's layers to the windows so that you can control as much as possible. I love the idea of at least having 2 types of window treatments on your windows in your bedroom. Something that can filter light and something that can black the light out. Blackout curtains really help create that hotel feeling to really darken your space so you get a good night's sleep. It can also help with sound absorption and really create a quiet space, but also having that option to have filtering light is absolutely necessary. Something that will diffuse light, create privacy, but also create a bright space. So having at least 2 window treatments definitely creates a luxurious look. If you want to take your bedroom to the next level, add that second element in. Now you can also create this layered effect with layered lighting in your bedroom. Having more than 1 light source or even 2 light sources in your bedroom will create that luxurious feeling. You can have ceiling lights, you can have a chandelier, you can have pendants or sconces, and even task lighting on your nightstands so that you have lighting for everything to create a warm atmosphere in your space. Being able to control all these different elements is really going to add to that luxurious feeling. I love using table lamps, especially dimmable lamps in bedrooms to really create a gorgeous atmosphere. You can also use wall sconces to shine beautiful light on your wall and use floor lamps in little reading nooks and beside that additional seating. Lighting is another one of those finishing elements that just brings your entire space together. Now there's many tricks to making your bedding look as luxurious as possible. You can do a really minimal style, you can do a very maximalist style, but it's always about layering. The more layering you can do, the more luxurious it's gonna feel. So always make sure that you have multiple pillow options. These can be your sleeping pillows, these can be your styling pillows, but as long as you have more than just the pillow that you sleep on, you're going in the right direction. Always go with different size pillows so that you can create a tiered, layered look, working from the largest pillows at the back to the smallest pillows at the front. You can layer your pillows flat for a modern look, or you can lean them up for a more traditional look. The same thing goes for your bedding. Layered bedding creates this lush, plush look that's gonna make your space look more luxurious. So always have that duvet folded to make it look as large and puffy as possible. You can layer in a quilt, a throw blanket, and that's really gonna add texture, warmth, and this really welcoming feeling to your bedroom. Of course, good quality bedding makes such a big difference to the way your bedding feels, but it's not always about buying the most expensive sheets and the expensive duvet to get that look. You can create the same experience with layering. Now, something that's often forgotten in bedroom design is statement art. If you're redecorating your bedroom, make sure that you include a large statement art piece, something that's going to tie together the color scheme and the style of your space and speak volumes. It's going to add that wow factor to your space, and it's really going to expand the look of your walls. It will draw your eye up and add another element of detail to your space. You can finish it off with a picture light, bring in that layered lighting some more, and end up with a beautiful effect. This could be art above your bed, this could be art beside your nightstands, this could be art across the room, but incorporating a large impactful piece will absolutely make your space look more luxurious. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you some ideas that you can use in your bedroom. Let me know down below in the comments if you have any plans to refresh your bedroom or any of your guest rooms around your home. And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have your notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!